Hi guys, good to have you back on the channel. I'm the again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install your Nexus content file on a separate backup. So whenever you plug the backup, you have access to it. Whenever you remove the backup, you don't have access. And one of the main reasons you want to do this is in case your C backup is full and you need a separate backup for this. That's one of the main reasons. I'm going to show you this tip. It's one of the easiest way ever you're going to find, and it's going to work perfectly fine for you. The library is going to work, all of your presets going to be there. So with no time to waste, let's do this. So I have my two files here we're going to be working with. I have my Nexus file, and this other file is the content file, right? So this is the Nexus file. Everything we're doing start from the installation process. So first you're going to install the Nexus. Okay, we had it down here. So now all we're going to do here is next. Be careful as you are taking your next. Don't just click next because there are stuff we have to do. So hit next here, and then you have full installation here, but you don't want to do the full installation. Depends, you are not using Pro Tools, so this is not for you. If you are using Pro Tools, you're going to need the AAX. If you are not, get rid of this. I'm using FL Studio, and more often I don't use the VST. I always install only the VST3. So yeah, so you can also do update on it, but me, I go for the clean. So I take clean and VST3. I hit next. And this is one of the stuff you want to take note of. You have a library directory here, and the file you're going to be selecting your library where you want to save the content. This is the most important stuff, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit the browse here. I'm going to then locate my backup which I want to save it on. So if you see my PC, I have two drive plugged in. I have my C drive, and I also have my D drive here. And my D drive is the backup drive. Now I'm going to hit the D drive here, and I'm going to locate where I want to save on the D drive. I want to save it here to Nexus. So I can then click here like this and hit OK, and it's going to be installed there, and then hit next. We now have our library file installed on our backup drive. So let's then verify. So you see my C drive is full already, and I have a little bit of space on my D drive. That's why I'm installing the library on the D drive. And if you now come to our item here and then come to Nexus, you see we have all of our stuff here, right? Now we are moving to the next step. Come back to download. This is where I have my content drive now. So it's time to install the download. So it depends where you got your software from. You're gonna have a little bit of installation instruction here, which you can take a look at. You see stuff to do. These are some of the stuff we're gonna be doing to make this happen, right? So now let's double click here. You see this file here, the CSV file. This is where they are asking you to place it. User public document reference Nexus tag bam bam bam. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just copy from here, Control C, and then hit window arrow on my PC. That's one of the quickest way to locate file on your PC, and then boom. So we already have showing there after installing Nexus. So what we're going to do now is copy this one, Control C, Control V, and then we're going to replace. Okay, so we are done with this other process, right? And for this other process, they ask us to locate this one and paste this file here. You see this file? That's why we are being asked to paste in this other location. But if you copy all of this location, you won't find it because of this username. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take from C user. This is another quick way. Control arrow again, it's window arrow by the way, and then Control V to paste, and then hit OK. So we'll be taken to this first area here, and come to view here. You have some of your file hidden, and then activate. So you have all of your file here. Now you take SmarTAS, that's my username, the one to make sure here say your username. That's it. It's the SmarTAS, and then hit app data. As you see here, just be following the step now, and then hit roaming. and then hit Rufex, come to arrow. Okay, here's it. Okay, we go in the process, continue. It's just that easy and fun, right? And then come to cloud, and then hit this file here, and then hit image. Okay, and we are finally here. So what I'm going to do now is just come back to the folder here. I can then copy this and then come here, click in here, and then Control V, and then replace. Boom, just like that, we are done for the second step. So we can close this. We're done with here. So now what we're going to do here is, you see the preset here. So these are all of our preset we'll be needing, right, to then paste in all of this stuff. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy this. I'm not going to take this entire file like this. I'm going to copy this like this, Control A, Control C, and then what I'm going to do is open the folder we installed first, so I can then open a new window here, and then come here, open here, come to all items, and then come to Nexus. And then once I'm in the Nexus here, I can just click on the bow here and Control V. So I'm now pasting all of the stuff that I'm copying from here to this other folder, right? So it's gonna take a little while. In the meantime, just in case you made it this far, then you are enjoying the video, I hope. So you might want to consider hitting the thumbs up, because it helps recommend the video to the right audience, and share the video all by yourself, you understand? Yeah, so do all the cool stuff. So now we're being asked to replace file because we already have presets here. We have some folder label preset. So replace, in some cases you won't be asked, it will just do it by itself, so don't worry on that. Now just sending all of our preset there, you understand? So this is going to take a little bit of time, depend on your PC, but I'm going to forward this for you. Okay guys, so at this point we're done copying all of the file here. Now all we're going to do is double click on this update Nexus library location, and boom, we call this it. So yeah, you are done doing that. Then you can open your DAW, whatever DAW you're using. So I'm using FL Studio. So if this is the first time you are installing Nexus, you have to come to the Add More plugin, and then hit the Manage, and then Find Install Plugin. Gonna take a while, and then it's gonna find the new plugin you just installed on your computer. So let's hit Nexus NEX. So I have Nexus installed before, so it's not red, but it will be orange by default. Now let's come to find Nexus now and see if it works. Now here's Nexus, and boom, here we have our library, all of the category. Yes guys, that's how you go about installing your Nexus library file on a separate backup. So whenever you remove the separate backup, you won't have all of this library, but whenever you plug back, you have it, and you're also saving yourself space on your C drive. And yeah, that's cool. So yeah, and I also have the Nexus 2 here, the old version of Nexus, side by side working. So if you want to know how to do that as well, how to install the old version of Nexus library, just let me know in the comment section. I will do a video on that, and I'm hoping to do a comparison between these two libraries, because there are stuff that you now have in the 5 that cannot be done in the 2. So if you want to see that, also let me know in the comment section. Let me know which one plugin you want me to show you how to install next on the channel. As always, I'm your boy Dear again. I talked about plugin, I share tips and tricks on your music, and if that interests you, here's where you belong. Hit the sub button to be a part of this channel. Like the video and share the video with everybody. With all that being said, I hope to catch you on the next video.
There is a reason for me to be who I be. May nobody try to confuse me out of the way I did to my team.